Love is universal, the language of the heart. Love knows no boundaries. Memories of happiness and love captured in a scent. HABIBI.
Born in New York, found in 2016, a brand with a mission to inspire love, unity, and diversity. Scents composed of oils from all over the world. Timeless and classic notes of rose, jasmine, citrus, and spices, exquisitely blended with exotic flowers, rare woods, and oud, to create fragrances that are both long-lasting and complex. Scents that can take you back to the most beautiful memories of the past, while uniquely creating the most precious memories for the future.
We teamed up with world-renowned perfumers to responsibly and sustainably source the rarest ingredients.
Our range of fragrances includes jasmine oud, Sahara rose, woody lavender, iris bloom, rose amour, velvet royale,
desert oud, urban oud, white Moroccan leather, spice bergamot and orris, Santal journey, and many more. Our premium fragrances are delivered in luxurious, handcrafted packaging. In a short span of time, HABIBI has emerged as a global brand, catering to everyone that enjoys the finer things of life. Our fragrance collection consists of scents that capture every mood and emotion that we love to feel. Whether it's everyday wear or that very special occasion, a scent to define you. HABIBI, made with love to inspire love.